I love a good runner rug, and this one here was sent for my review, and I'm excited to check it out for the very first time. This one is 24 by 54 inches, so it is going to be nice and long. This is really great for a long hallway. Obviously, you can have this at your entrance as well if you do have that longer entrance. Ooh, it definitely feels so soft. It does come in lots of different colors. You can also get different sizes, which is really great as well. And this, what I love the most, it is machine washable, because sometimes you get those rugs that you can't actually throw in the machine. This is something I wouldn't put in the dryer. I would hang this to dry. But of course, we all know if you have this, especially in your entrance, people coming and going with their shoes, it's going to get dirty very quickly. But it's got those really nice deep fibers, so it is going to help trap that dirt, which is definitely something that I'm looking for when I have this in the front of the house, just so when people are coming in, I would rather the dirt stay trapped in here rather than all over my floor, of course. And then over here, we've got that really nice anti-slip grip on this side here, so you know that it's not going to be slipping and sliding all over the place. But yeah, if you are looking for a rug, this one here is really great.